All right. Hello, everybody. Let's talk through deal essentials and how to get set up and edit them and change them over time and what's the purpose of them. So, deal essentials are the fields in your CRM that you think are most important to the success of a sales cycle and closing new customers. And in the onboarding flow, we have you select up those deal essential fields ahead of time, which ultimately, by selecting those fields, it allows us to create a template, a pipeline view, and give you an initial sentiment on your health score, which we're seeing here on the right-hand rail. So the health score is the quantity of fields that you have filled out versus the total essential fields that you think you should be filling out. And by selecting the right ones, you can see here I'm missing the implications of pain. That's one of my gaps in my fields. These ones are all looking good, and I have some work to do on this. And you can always click into these fields, drill into the exact deal essentials that you have filled out, and almost fill out the remaining fields if you know that information here. But let's talk about where to set this up and where to make any changes or edits here. So if you go back into settings and go to reports, this is where the deal essential configuration is going to happen. Everything on the left-hand rail is the fields that are currently present there, and everything on the right-hand rail is all of the opportunity or the fields that are most important or possible on that object. So right now we're looking at account or opportunity fields, excuse me. So if we said, we wanted to pull in decision criteria and process into this, click save, and then I go back into my dashboard view, and then these will all be changed or course corrected based upon the new set of essential fields that we've set up here. So this can really help to identify gaps in your deals, make sure that we're completing those gaps and actually getting ready for the next call to make sure we haven't missed anything. But that should all be right here front and center, and that's where you edit or get all those updated. So let us know if you have any questions at all. Thanks so much.